that we will be wrapping up here shortly, and it also means that everybody that is working will be running.
Well, we'll be walking real fast.
Yeah, everybody that's working is running, so there'll be a little bit of a pause between heats while we all go gather our cars. Some of us might have the butt box down.